Have you ever come to this point of your life where you think, the only thing I need right now is a trip to Korea and to see Janabi's end of the year party concert? Well, if you do, you might follow your heart, book the plane and concert tickets, the Airbnb with an amazing Korean grandma, and have the best and well-deserved 2 weeks of your life. But then comes the time to go back to Krsko, and you wonder, how will I survive after this? Hello everyone, and welcome to How to Survive in Krsko after the best 2 weeks of your life in South Korea. At that exact moment, you're entering the first stage, denying. The first way this stage appears is with the tears. You cry, and keep on crying, until you realize, wait, what stops me from being in Korea? So, you take the subway line number 2 from Sokchon Sagori to Choan Station and run to the convenience store to get your soy sauce and instant noodles. Once you get back home, you can finally enjoy this sweet taste while taking a walk in the magnificent Namdaemun market.
Yummy.
Unfortunately, this technique might not last forever, so you'll have to enter stage 2, acceptance. Once you've accepted you didn't really stay in Korea, the first thing to do is to print your Cigna health insurance certificate, prepare your volunteering agreement and passport, and run to the mairie to register as an official Krsko citizen. Once this is done, you can officially enter stage 3, enjoying life again. Loving life is not always easy, but you can at least try to enjoy some moments of life. Enjoy this little amount of snow under your feet and on your hands as you're walking to work. Enjoy this workshop time where you have fun while learning useful sound stuff. And then, party, eat, dance, laugh. You'll be happy enough until you can go back.